solo filmmaking.
Came to rock the house and get drunk. From the floor to the ceiling, go nuts. Any sign of destruction's on us. My adrenaline's pumping, feel it all in my veins. Don't worry, percussions, then stay out the way. Like a lineman rush to take them out of the game. Got the party jumping and tearing out at the frame. I'm talking mosh pit, jumping, party not stopping till early morning. Hang from the ceiling, that's how we on it. If you're not fit, here's a warning. Yo, stand up, stand up, hands up, hands up. From the back to the front, we amped up, we amped up. And if you're breaking dawn just to break the law, stand up, stand up, hands up, hands up. We amped up, we amped up. Party not a party till we come through.
So like I was saying, this mount is super versatile. You can even use it for vlogging. As you can see here, I'm holding it in my other hand. Works just fine. Goes from your mouth straight to your hand. You can talk, do whatever you need to do, then flip it right back in your mouth. And you're good to go back to your adventure. Can also be used as a little tripod if you want to do some time lapses, just like this. So as y'all just saw from that little edit, this mount right here can be used in just about any situation. It has super convenient breathing holes here that are cut through on the side, so that when it's in your mouth, you can breathe just fine. I do love this mount, and I think it's a must in anyone's camera bag that's filming themselves or doing travel style videos, whether that's just your family or you going out and doing stuff. No matter what, this gives a great perspective for that. But it's not my first choice if it's the first mount you're gonna buy for your action camera. Any guesses as to what might be? Go ahead, I'll wait. Answer the poll up here. Let's see if you got it right. The selfie stick. This one is the classic kind of extendable one. These were super big back in like 2014. Everybody had one. I don't really use this style as much as I do this, which is a Speedo stick. Click the button here, and it rotates the camera 180 degrees, which allows for just some nice transitions, just a natural whip transition. But it's also just a nice stick. Gets good range of motion, you can get it out there, you can film in front of you, flip and film behind you, or film yourself. So for me and my vlogs, this is a great tool. Some other common mounts that I think people have are the head mount, especially if you're looking for kind of a POV style, which is a point of view, like first person point of view, so that you can make your videos more immersive. The head mount is a super common choice. I personally never liked them. I don't know if it's because I have a big head, but they never seem to go on correctly for me. They always seem to slide off, or especially if you're doing action sports, you never could get these done. The next one that's pretty common is the chest mount. I found that these are great for hiking or, I don't know, just more laid back stuff. But when I'm wakeboarding or snowboarding, your body's turned kind of off to the side, so you're just filming either the side of the mountain, the water, or you have to stand awkwardly with your hips sideways and your chest forward to try and get any footage of what's going on. So it has its place. It's a great mount, but definitely not one that I use very often. Like I said before, selfie stick, specifically the Speedo, and just the mouthpiece. So some other good things about this is if you ever played sports, it literally just fits like a mouth guard. That's what it feels like to me, at least. It's super comfortable. Something that this is better at than the chest mount is for first person point of view for that style of video. The chest mount's just a little too low. Doesn't make sense. People can tell when you're watching it. This good kind of height, especially if you're a taller person. When someone's watching the footage through that, I mean, you guys saw the ones on the dirt bike. It looks like you're the one riding the dirt bike. Mine also came with this leash. So if you're doing anything like surfing or wakeboarding or somewhere where you're scared you might lose your GoPro, even like mountain biking or something where you don't want it just to fall out of your mouth and fall down, this is a great option. You slide the rope right here, undo the mount. This just slides in between the hooks there, and you take the GoPro, and it has enough room to mount in between, just like so, making it so you won't lose your GoPro, which is awesome. If you're somebody that has the stick, they really like that perspective, but you want to have some other kind of shots in your videos, you want a different look, you want to have like that POV style, but like me, you don't like the head mount, then I would definitely recommend getting a little, I'm gonna call it a mouth mount, I don't know what you want to call it. It's something different, something that'll spice up your videos, and I don't know, it's comfortable and it's easy, it looks good. Comment below with what your favorite action cam accessory is, and which one you use most. And as always, feel free to ask me any questions in the comments below or DM me on Instagram. All my social media links will be in the description. Y'all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.